Hey bird, let's go look for some seeds this time. Fly, fly, little bird, flying around the neighborhood, looking for a tasty treat. Look, I found some seeds to eat. Yum, yum, seeds. Yum, yum, seeds.
That's what the birds do.
I'm a tired bird, flying all around from all the food I found on the ground. I'm a tired bird, I fly back to my nest, so I can take a little rest.
That's what the birds do. Oh, I wanna be up high where the birds fly, see the world from a different view. Spread my wings and soar, there's so much to explore. Oh, where the sky's so blue. That's what the birds do. Have you ever been near a pelican or a crane with legs so long? Heard a tiny wren perched upon a limb, singing such a beautiful song. That's what the birds do. Did you know that